we already had covered about single tasking, multitasking, what is the process, what is the program. So now we'll talk about the thread. So before going to the thread, we will understand why the thread is needed, and to understand that particular thing, we have to first understand what is the heavyweight process. So basically, a set of instructions that is going to take a separate memory space or a separate memory location to run itself in the RAM is called the heavyweight process, like the MS Word program. So when we open a MS Word, it basically take a separate memory location in the RAM to run itself. Okay, so now we will try to understand why the thread is needed. Okay, suppose this is a OS, and maybe sorry, and this is a RAM. Okay, and this is the RAM, and we have a program called MS Word. So MS Word has taken a memory in the RAM and it is running over there. Users have started using the MS Word. So what we do in the MS Word, we write the document. So when users started writing in the MS Word, so they realized that there are some of the spelling mistake they are making. So MS Word team has thought, okay, what we'll do, we'll create a spell checking program also for MS Word. So what they introduced a spell check program. Spell check program. MS Word and spell check program both has into the RAM, but they have the separate memory location. So maybe I will okay, and OS maybe I will put here. Now they have created a spell check program. So whenever the user have started writing in the MS Word, yeah, every word we type, so that basically used to check with that particular spell check program that particular word is correct or not. So now what is happening? So but the spell check program had got a separate memory location in that RAM, and MS Word has also got the separate memory location in the RAM. Both are the heavyweight process. So what was happening? So whenever the user is typing something, so every time processor used to go here and used to check that particular word is correct or not. Okay, so what was happening? So the OS has to give a lot of cycles of processor in that particular situation, because whenever the user used to write any word, they need the cycles of processor to check that particular word is correct or not through the spell check program. So in this particular situation, what was happening? Context switching was happening, and the context switching was too high in this particular situation. And suppose if OS has to give the cycles of processor to a particular application frequently, then the speed will be slow for sure, right? So what they did, because both the program now was heavyweight process, so what they did, so they basically included this spell check program in MS Word only. So spell check program now is not a part of, not a heavyweight process. So what is that? That is inside that MS Word. So maybe you can say this RAM now, or maybe I can say this MS Word. Okay, and inside this MS Word, spell check program is there. Spell check program. Okay, so now what is happening? They give the memory to this spell check program in the boundary of MS Word only. So wherever the MS Word was taking the space in the RAM, so spell check program was also taking the memory inside that MS Word only. So there is no context switching now. So basically, that type of set of instruction which does not occupy a separate memory location to run itself is called the lightweight process, and these lightweight processes are called thread. So basically you all have must heard about the thread is the lightweight process. Why it is lightweight process? Because thread does not occupy a separate memory location to run itself. So thread always is the part of the heavyweight process. So thread takes a memory location in a heavyweight process. So this is why they are called the lightweight process or the thread. So we can say that to achieve multitasking in a heavyweight process, a new concept came, and that is called thread. And the group of thread is called multi-thread. So MS Word is a heavyweight process. There are a lot of programs running into MS Word when you open the MS Word. So all those small programs are called the thread. But MS Word is a heavyweight process. And those small programs that run in the MS Word is called the lightweight process. And through those small program, MS Word is achieving the multitasking. So I hope you have understood the basic concept of thread. What is the thread? How it came? What is the meaning of it? How the thread is adding the value in terms of achieving the multitasking.